about 6 a.m., somewhere right around there. We got everything broken down. American elm. And that limb had broken off, and you saw where I put my hammock. Alright, the pedal drive has seen better days. As you can see, we've broken all parts except for one. But as long as I'm not pedaling too hard, it stays in there for the most part. Every once in a while it pops out. But we're going to redesign that. That looks like old wooden beams for that one. Boat ramp. I think you could make it here easily by 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. depending on how hard you paddle and how good the flow in the river is. So it's got power on that side. I guess this is an old pump house. I don't know, it said 1927, and I don't know if that's the year it's made or just the number of the facility or what. I thought that was piezoelectric. Alright. So we got a small little rapid up here. It looks like most of this is created by logs, so I pulled the pedal drive because I don't want it to get hit, even though most of those pegs that keep it in are broken. Like I said, not really much of a rapid. Looks like there was a little dam or something here. That looks pretty rocky. I wonder if that's the one I saw on the map last night. Yeah, these are probably the biggest rapids I've seen, and they're not really rapids. I wonder if that's what I saw. That was not the one that I saw on the map. So the one I saw on the map should be twice, 3 times as big as that. Woo, crop duster! Something up here, and I thought I saw it move. Are you kidding me? That's a little alligator. That log is a little baby alligator. He does not want me to get close to him. Let's see if I can catch him sliding off the log here in just a sec. Oh, he's gonna let us get close. Woo, there he goes. Look at him. He's keeping an eye on us. He's like, I know you. So I don't know if it was the same one, but it just had another little alligator swim in front of me. Oh, right there. Right there. See him? It's going over to the bank. That makes 3 if that's not the same guy, and I doubt it's the same one. So it means a mama somewhere around here had some little babies. That one looks like it's probably a year or 2 old. We are almost to that little dam. I say almost, about an hour. So I think if we go another hour, we'll probably hit it because we've got another 2 or 3 bends. There he goes. He's headed back. Alright, right there is what I saw on the map, and it does look like there is a dam there. I'm going to stay away from the right hand side. I'm going to try to go over here to the left. I don't know if that's some type of hydroelectric. Look at here. Here he comes back. Got loaded up and going again. There, that sign says danger, exit river now. Figure out how we're going to get around this. So we're going to go down here and we're going to look and see if we can get over that other side. The dam over here, left or right, we are not going down that. We might be able to go to the center and go over it, but it looks like we could have a hydraulic there. and a hydraulic there. They sounded the alarm when I pulled up. And so I got off right there at that sign where it said 500 feet. But I'm going to come down to this other part. Saw some pokeberries down here and some pokeweed. Alright, I'm going to the middle. And then I'm going to go over and then climb down to the next one where that eddy is. Alright, we are just pulling it over the shallow part. We could have made that, but we took our back fins off and we just went over the center just to be safe in case there was some sort of hydraulic. That is going to be the absolute biggest barrier. Oh man, we broke part of our paddle. This little gravel area just right on the other side was perfect to kind of put my fins back on, get everything set up. That's what I would recommend, because there are private property signs up there like saying don't go past this point, and you almost have to go past that point to get around to a place where you can put this stuff back down. Kind of beat on this log, make sure there were no fire ants. We're going to take a little break and see how far away we are. And you wanted a 2-day trip. You could do Columbus to Garwood, nice and easy, probably in 2 8-hour days. Would not have been good on the buttocks. Those things hurt. I've been stung before. We had one in our couch. They used to get in our house all the time. I haven't seen one in a while. I'm glad he did not get me. Making coffee. Not going to make it that hot. I really quit cooking those meals. I'm just really using this for coffee making now. Another snake right over here on that log. I don't know if you can see it right underneath there. Excuse me. There he went. A farm to market road, and it has a bridge, and it looks like it has a boat ramp, or at least a place where you can pull a car up and get close to the water. So we're taking a little break here. We've got another hour, maybe an hour and a half. We should be there. All right, we've got way better beaches here. Just easier to get into. Yeah, we still have the high walls on one side, but way more of these flat beaches. All right, there's FM 950. All right, it's not an official boat ramp, but you can get out here and have somebody come by and pick you up. There's rocks here, a bunch of trash, so you're going to be limited on how far you can go. A lot of trash around this area, but you can at least get a car here.